warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today our group will be presenting about our prototype, which is KITM Food Bank. Firstly, food banks can be seen as a good initiative in reducing food waste and at the same time also helping those in need. Its critical role to human psychological well-being has urged many countries to prioritize nutrition and diet as one of the important national strategies and call for policy development. Also, food is essential for the survival and well-being of every individual, yet an estimated 2.33 billion people worldwide still struggle to access adequate food regularly. Furthermore, food banks are social organizations, function as intermediaries within the food waste management network, supporting social innovation to address food consumption. And nevertheless, the concept of a food bank is quite new in Malaysia, and not many people are really aware of the concept and operations of food banks. So, our objective for this prototype is to examine the role of food banks in enhancing food security among university students who lack consistent access to sufficient and nutritious food. Second is to explore university student perception of food relief services, particularly among those who are food bank users. Third is to investigate the impact of food bank application on students' psychological well-being, including mental health and emotional stability. For the advantages, firstly, food banks fulfill a dual purpose by diminishing food wastage while affirming access to essential food suppliers for individuals in need, distinctively university students. Secondly, the donor module reinforces participation by cultivating donor involvement and offering recognition for their contributions. Third, the system distributes real-time updates on food availability, benefiting both donor and recipients. For the disadvantages, firstly, instituting a food bank demands growth planning and a realistic assessment resources food, funding and volunteers to ascertain long-term impact, stability and sustainability. Second, food bank conventionally progress along a maturity continuum, beginning with a limited programmatic scope and gradually developing to incorporate additional initiatives, ultimately implementing a more development-oriented role. Thirdly, the management of beneficiary data obligates strong security measures to safeguard privacy and trust.
The KITM Food Bank prototype begins with its home interface. At the top, we see the KITM Food Bank logo together with the slogan Knowledge and Nourishment hand in hand. The design shows exchanging a food box, symbolizing care and gratitude. This home screen sets the tone of the system and provides a simple start button to guide users into the application. This interface shows the main screen of the KITM Food Bank system. It includes 4 key modules: beneficiary registration, inventory, donate, and contact. Each button leads to a specific function that support food bank operations. Moving into the next interface, we have the beneficiary registration modules. Here, students can register by filling in their name, matric number, phone number, and faculty. Once submitted, the system stores the data securely and allows searching, viewing, and updating records. This ensures that the food bank maintains accurate information while keeping the process straightforward and accessible for students. The following interface highlights the inventory management module. It lists food items along with their stock levels using color indicators: green for sufficient, yellow for moderate, and red for low. This helps staff and students quickly understand availability and plan distribution more effectively. Next, The interface introduced the Add to Basket feature. This allows students to select items they need, adjust quantities, and confirm their choices before collection. The design is familiar, similar to online shopping, which makes it intuitive and user-friendly. More importantly, it supports dignity of choice, giving students the ability to request food items according to their personal needs rather than receiving pre-baked bundles.
In this session, I will explain the donate function in the KITM food bank system, which is specifically designed to make it easier for the KITM community and the public to contribute to using students who are in need of food assistance. Next, the system provides fixed donation option, which are Rm10 and Rm50. This option allows users to make quick donations without having to manually enter an amount. In addition, users can select enter custom amount if they wish to donate a different amount based on their own capability. Apart from monetary donation, the system also allows users to contribute food items. Users can select basic food items such as rice, cooking oil, bread, soy sauce, bihun, sugar, condensed milk, and sardines. These items were chosen because they are essential food supplies that are most commonly needed by students. Lastly, under the payment method section, the system offers several payment options including card, FPX, and e-wallet. These multiple payment methods are provided to simplify the donation process and ensure that more users can contribute without technical difficulties. The food bank system is designed to be user-friendly, flexible, and easily accessible, encouraging more people to contribute and ultimately helping to support food security among USIM students. Next, this is the contact us section of the KITM food bank system. It is designed to help USIM students and relevant parties easily to obtain information or contact the food bank management when assistance or clarification is needed. This page displays the official location of the KITM food bank at the Islamic Center, Complex Islam Tunku Mukris, University Sains Islam Malaysia. In addition, contact details such as phone number and official email address are provided to enable quick and easy communication. The operating hours are also clearly stated so users know the appropriate time to make contact or visit. Overall, this feature helps improve communication and ensure support can be delivered effectively to using students in need. In conclusions, the findings indicate that the KITM food bank benefits using students by alleviating food burdens and raising awareness of the importance of mutual assistance. Although challenges exist in terms of resources and management, this project has the potential to be further strengthened to build a more caring and responsible student community. That's all from us. Thank you.